Good morning, dearest student. Dear student, as you know that in my last video I have covered this transpiration topic with an activity which is given on page number 46. Now we will proceed with our new topic, and the topic is products obtained from plants. Okay, here we will see the different products which we obtain from plants and in which way they are useful to us. Means those plant products are useful to us. Now first point we will see here, we get different kinds of food from plants. Plants give us fruit, vegetables and nuts. So what we get from plants? We get different kinds of food from plants. Okay, so from where we get different kinds of food? So we get different kinds of food from plants. So what plant give us? Plants give us fruits, vegetables and nuts. As you can see the picture of fruits and vegetable, and you can see the picture of nut. Now second point is plants give us cereal and pulses. Cereals and pulses are dry seeds of some plants which we use as food. So what plant give us? Plants give us cereals, अनाज देते हैं, and pulses, दाल भी देते हैं. They give pulses also. So cereals and pulses are what? Cereals and pulses are dry seeds of some plant which we use as food. Okay, so these two top points are clear. Now come to next point. Here we get tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar from plant. These are also we get from where? From plants. And what are those? Tea we get from plant, coffee we get from plant, then cocoa and sugar we get from plant. See, you can see the picture of sugar. From sugar cane we get tea from tea leaf. These are the tea leaves. Okay, we get chocolate from cocoa. Okay, so these are the picture of cocoa. Now next point is we get many types of spices like cardamom, elaichi, cinnamon, dalchini and pepper, kali mirch from plants. So these are what? Cardamom, cinnamon and pepper. These are what they are? These are spices. So for what purpose these spices are? So spices are used to add flavor to the food. Masale किस लिए काम आते हैं? For what purpose these masales we use for? So spices are used to add flavor to the food. They enhance taste of the food. Now spices are dried seed, fruits, roots or bark of some plants. Okay, spices can be dried seed also, they can be fruits also, they can be roots or bark of some of the plant. Bark means chhal. Okay, as you can see the picture, these are the different spices. Haldi ho gaya, turmeric, then red chili, then see this is black pepper, then dry seeds of coriander, then this is bay leaf, tej patta, hai na? And what else? So many masales are here, spices are here. Now we get different kinds of oil also from plants. So oil is for what purpose? Oil is used for cooking, and we put oil on our hair also. So oil is used for cooking as well as oil is used for oiling our hair. Now plants give us medicine. We get medicine from plants such as tulsi, you know very well, tulsi, neem, eucalyptus, etc. They are used for making what? They are used for making medicines. Understood? Now next point is we get many kinds of fibers also from where? From plants. So some fibers are used for making cloths. Okay, the cloths which we are wearing, no, they are made up of what? They are made up of fibers. Understood? So see here the picture of tulsi plant, then this is picture of neem tree. Next is we get cotton fiber from cotton plant. Yes, then we get jute fiber from jute plant. Okay, now next point is plants give us paper also on which you write, then rubber which you use to erase, and gum which we through which you stick the things. Now we get paper from bamboo plant. From where we get this paper? From bamboo plant. We get gum from acacia tree. This is what? Acacia tree. Acacia tree gives us gum. Then we get rubber from juice of rubber tree. As you can see the picture that we get rubber from rubber tree. Understood? Now this is the picture. This is bamboo. Okay, this is the picture of bamboo plant. Understood? Now next we will see this. Next point. Plants give us what? Wood. And you know wood. We use wood for many purposes. Wood is used to make furniture. Okay. With the help of wood, we make furnitures, doors, houses, etc. So plants such as teak, these are the plant like teak, bamboo and oak. They are used for obtaining what? These plants are used for obtaining wood. So we get furniture from wood. See, you are seeing the picture of table, chair. Then this is the picture of any plant. Now next is some plants are also used for making soaps, which we use when you take bath with different fragrances. Okay, fragrance. Now next is toothpaste and perfume. So few plants are also used for making what? Soap, then toothpaste and perfume. See, perfume, then soap and then toothpaste. Now we will see test yourself. First is question is choose the right option. So first is what? Dash is the part that grows above the ground. So what you will write? Shoot is the part that grows above the ground. Dash a number of root grows out from the base of the stem. So in fibrous root, a number of root grow out from the base of the stem. Now the hard, strong and woody stem is called what? Trunk or petiole? No, petiole will not be the correct answer. So what will be the correct answer? The hard, strong and woody stem is called trunk. Now, green leaves make food in the form of glucose and what? Here, green leaves make food in the form of glucose. See, इधर क्या लिखा हुआ है? What is written here? Green leaves make food in the form of glucose and oxygen gas is given out. Okay, so green leaves make food in the form of glucose. And what is written here? Just a minute. Okay. So what you will write here? You will write here oxygen. Now dash are used to add flavor to the food. So spices are used to add flavor to the food. Now next sum up, we will see sum up. A plant is divided into how many parts? Two main parts, the root and the shoot. Now the main function of root is to fix the plant to the soil and absorb water and mineral from the soil, and fibrous root and tap root are the two main types of root. Ma'am has already taught you about root and types of root. Now next is the main function of stem is to keep plant upright and straight. Okay, so stem helps to keep the plant upright and straight. It also carries water and food to different plant parts. Now next is the leaves prepare food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so this is the process what we call photosynthesis, in which leaves prepare food for the plant. Green leaves absorb carbon dioxide from the air and give out oxygen, which is necessary for plants and animals. Now the extra food is stored in leaves, root, stems, flowers or food. Now transpiration is a function performed by leaves. So it is the process of removal of extra water in the form of water vapor from the plant through stomata. Now next is we get many kinds of products such as food items, spices, tea, coffee, oil, medicine, gum, rubber, wood and fibers from plant. So this chapter is completed now. After some time, you will get the PDF for this test yourself and this question round. So you will write A, B, C in your book itself, and this D part you will write in your science copy. Understood, dear student? So thank you. This was for today's class. Have a nice day, beta. You wait for PDF of this chapter.